Welcome to the Illegal Immigration Topics channel. I'm your host, CP. And today's topic, this Belgian man who fled from Belgium after committing heinous demonicism, criminality toward a child. And thankfully, he was arrested later on when he arrived in the U.S. at the demonic criminality toward a child that he committed child exploitation in Belgium. And he had the nerve to sit there after fleeing to still act like that he should have got some kind of citizenship. And on the application, he, like however many, they lie or they tell a little white lie or they don't tell at all their criminality history in the previous country. So let me sit there and share my screen on this. The disgustingality of this deviant cretin. ICE removes fugitive criminal predator who attempted to exploit U.S. immigration system. This border breaker illegal immigrant alien wanted by Belgian authorities for sexually exploiting a child and have the nerve to have a smile on his face. ICE removed Romulus, deviant, pedophile, whatever they said, Mahai, something like that, an illegally present 33-year-old Belgian fugitive convicted of sexual exploitation of a child in his native country, and turned him over to the Belgian authorities July 31st, 2025. Following his conviction, Mihai fled to the United States to avoid serving his prison sentence for the child sex crime in Belgium. ICE Homeland Security Investigations, Washington, D.C., arrest him in April 2025. The rest of Romulus, deviant creature, pedophile, Mihai, is a testament to the outstanding collaboration between HSI and USCIS. Together, we were able to identify, arrest, and remove a child sex predator, pedophile, who had no legal right to remain in the U.S. Said this particular person within HSI Washington, D.C. Not only did Mihai victimize an innocent child in his native Belgian country, he attempted to exploit the integrity of our immigration system to avoid accountability for his crime. HSI Washington, D.C. remains committed to safeguarding the lawfully immigration, let me say it again, lawfully immigration process, and holding accountable those who seek to exploit it. Furthermore, we will continue to persecute, arrest, and remove any criminal alien offender who endangers our communities. Mihai entered the U.S. under the Visa Waiver Program in April 2013 and continued through the immigration process, attempted to gain U.S. citizenship. However, he never discussed his criminal history to immigration officials. During the adjudication review for his naturalization application, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, Fraud Detection, and National Security Directorate referred Mihai's cases to HSI Washington, D.C. for further investigation after discovering his criminal pedophile child exploitation history. Based on evidence obtained through the investigation, Mihai was arrested and placed in immigration proceedings. A Department of Justice immigration judge ordered him removed June 26, 2025. ICE officials removed Mihai from the U.S. to Belgium July 31st. 2025 and turn them over to the Belgian authorities. These little nasty type fleers, especially when they're like this child exploitation, pedophile cretins. And they have the nerve to flee to America and try to act like they really never done anything in the previous country. How many just like him that just have not been caught? How many scammers out there that play games? Well, they didn't really do anything violent. They still did heinous criminality. How many scam people's identities, scam other people's resources, etc., etc. There's no such thing as it's kind of a crime, scamming people. Identity theft is still a crime. How many have done that? But relating to this cretin, hopefully, true justice will be upon him for what he did to that child. See, you don't hear a lot of border break illegal immigrants or fleers from Belgium, but they're out there. All they got to do is look at statistics. Not going to be a lot, but they are. Now, thank you for tuning in to the Legal Immigration Topics channel.